Hello, guys, this is Johnny from EELbattery. Today, we'll compare 3 popular BMS and the DIY battery boxes designed to work with them. This is JKBMS, we also called SEP version 2. It focuses on long-term stability, and its matching our DIY box follows the same philosophy. The box is designed with fixed mounting points specifically for this BMS. It entered the market early and has been proven by a large number of long-term users. This is the JKBMS 3.0 active balancer, compatible with this BMS. It can be installed inside the box, optional. The screen is not touch-based, but the information layout is clear and functional. The positive side, current control design, results in a very low real-world failure rate. The breaker and current paths are positioned for predictable and stable operation. The new hydraulic magnetic circuit breaker is positioned below the terminals for easy access. Supports CAN and RS-485 communication and is compatible with over 90% of inverters on the market. For users who value stability over experimentation, SEP version 2 remains one of the safest options available. JKBMS is currently one of the most popular BMS in the DIY community. Its most important feature is built-in active 2A balancing. This significantly reduces the need for external balancing hardware. It features a large 4.3-inch color touchscreen. Users can visually monitor status in real time, which is especially useful for large battery packs, allowing easy access to all settings, battery status, and protocols. With the JK V19 special function, you can view the status of all slave batteries on one display. The box is equipped with the hydraulic magnet circuit breaker and oversized 400A power terminals for high current applications. However, this feature-rich design comes with trade-offs. Firmware updates are frequent, and stability can vary between versions. In many cases, problem-solving depends on the user or distributor, rather than official support. So at EELbattery, every BMS is fully tested before shipping and labeled with a QC Pass sticker. JKBMS is best suited for users who enjoy testing, adjusting, and optimizing their battery systems. With easy setup and monitoring, it is also suitable for beginners. SEP version 3 BMS is designed for customization, and its matching DIY box reflects that goal. It comes with a 4.3-inch touch display. It is not manufactured by the same company as SEP version 2. Its quality is equally solid. The box comes with an exclusive 10A active balancer for high-performance battery packs. It can be installed inside the box, optional. The BMS supports more than 10 languages, making it suitable for international markets. The display can be customized with brand logos. This BMS supports RS-485 and CAN communication with automatic address assignment. This makes the SEP version 3 box combination ideal for commercial projects, OEM systems, and branded energy storage solutions. All 3 BMS and DIY box combinations are available as complete DIY kits. SEP version 2 with its box prioritizes stability. JKBMS with its box prioritizes DIY flexibility. SEP version 3 with its box prioritizes customization and branding. If you've built a battery using any of these BMS, please feel free to share your experience in the comments. See you next time.